Before we show the bank reconciliation process, it's important to understand what a bank rec is conceptually and what it tells us. Starting point is always the prior month recon. Since we will demonstrate the May recon, we'll start with the April recon. So column G in our example today shows the general ledger balances on the left-hand side. There are a handful of general ledger accounts for each fund that represent the total per the general ledger of $546,000. On the right hand side is the bank account at Farmer State, one single pool account balance, $548,000. Next, we have miscellaneous transactions. These are items that hit the general ledger in error and need to be reversed because they'll never hit the bank. Or they are items that hit the bank but are not yet posted to the general ledger. So in our case, we have two checks that were cashed at the bank in April but have not been posted to the general ledger yet. Next, we have deposits in transit. These are monies received at the end of the current month per the general ledger but sent to the bank in the new month. They are also checks sent to vendors but not yet cashed on their end. So in our case, we have some online payments between April 28th and April 30. And we also have a regular deposit, which are payments made in person as of April 30. Next, we have outstanding checks, first accounts payable. These are checks issued to our vendors through April 30 that have not been cashed yet. We also have payroll checks for withholdings and payments to employees through April 30 that have not been cashed yet. So we have adjusted totals both on the general ledger side and the bank side. For the general ledger, it's the general ledger balance plus or minus the miscellaneous transactions. And on the bank side, it's the bank balance plus the deposits in transit minus the outstanding checks. So in our case, our adjusted totals are the same, so we know the reconciliation is complete. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Next, we'll walk through the process to complete the May 31 recon.